had the DJI RC Pro 2 controller, probably the best controller I've ever used, maybe the best consumer grade drone controller that's ever been put out there. I know there's some enterprise stuff that may be beyond this, but anyhow, this was released just this past spring by DJI. Came out alongside the DJI Mavic 4 Pro drone. It features a 7-inch display and it goes up to 2,000 nits in brightness, so good on daylight, and a large enough screen that it kind of is the same thing as most tablets. People have been using it for years, and it's kind of convenient here. It just kind of pops out. Let me show you best I can here. It pops up, and then the sticks are right underneath there too. You can see them, so you don't have to put the sticks on every time. And the screen's booting up here. You'll be able to see it here. So we don't have a drone connected now, so it's not really showing anything. Oh, there you go. You can see at least the kind of landing page here. You can see how nice and bright that is. So, okay, but this video is not about the controller per se. With a controller like this, it's quite an investment. It's not a cheap controller by any means. So I'll put links and price down below. It's I'm in the U.S. and it's kind of not sold in the U.S. by DJI. You have to get it through kind of third-party sellers. The price can vary. I don't know what the actual price would be if DJI would sell in the U.S. But I'll get some kind of information going on in the show notes. But what this video is about today is if you have a screen like this, you want to protect it. You're out in the field, you don't want to get it scratched, you don't want to drop it and break it, anything like that. So you need a good screen protector, and everybody's used to screen protectors. You've used them on your phones and tablets and devices like that for years. And this one is by the good folks over at StartRC. I do a lot of videos for those guys. They're great people over there. So this is for the RC Pro 2 controller, and it's a glass screen protector. It's a 9H screen protector. I don't know what the 9H means here, but some of the features are it's waterproof. It's anti-fall, so it would prevent cracking. Anti-fingerprint. So, of course, it's a touch screen, so you got your fingerprints on it all the time, or your fingers on it all the time. It's scratch resistant, sensitive to the touch, so you can still use, your touch screen, and it's high definition, so, it won't be foggy or blurry or anything like that. And, it's compatible with the DJI RC Pro 2, controller, the only controller it's compatible with. So, so let's get right into the unboxing of this this kit here and see what it does for us. Before I get into the unboxing of the glass screen protector, I just want to emphasize that when it folds down, the screen is facing upwards rather than downwards, so it's vulnerable to all that stuff I said before. A scratching, kind of breaking, because the screen, is right up there. So you always want to keep this kind of encased and protected. And of course, this this kit right here is going to even make that job even easier here. So you open up here, it's got a piece of tape here. I've already pre-cut the tape here to speed this video up here. And just to let you folks know, I was not sent the controller for a review, but I was sent the screen protector by StartRC, for a review. And actually, this is more or less an unboxing and first look at it. It's not actually a review. We'll come back after, some time and let you know how it's held up and, and help protect my device here. So, again, this is not the review yet, but they did send this to me. I don't have to send it back, but they have no editorial control of what I'm saying in this video here. They will not see this video before I put it out, so I just want to full disclosure there. Okay, so let's open this guy up here, and I'm going to aim the camera down a little bit more so you're going to get kind of more of a top-down shot. All right, so here we go. All right, we have a little QC thing here. You typically get these things here. We have the dust absorber, so you want to press these things down on the glass before you apply the protector, so you won't be any dust underneath. But you get two sets of these because you get two pieces of glass in here too. Sorry to ruin the suspense there, but I write that in the outside of the box. And here you have these little wipes here, so you can wipe the screen clear. Again, you have basically 4 sets of them here in case you mess up, I guess. And let's see here. Here is the screen protector itself. Here's one, and there's a second one in here too. and that's all it's in the box here. So I'm going to put one of them back in the box here. So if anything happens to one of them, you gotta back up here. So here is the the glass itself here. I hope you can see that clear. It's clear. I already showed a clear thing on camera there, and it has a little. I'm going to put it back here. The fingerprint here has a little hole to get started here. So this goes on. If you've ever applied a screen like this to any of your cell phones, tablets, whatever, it goes on just the same. There's, I don't see any instructions here how to do it. They probably have some online. This is sold over at Amazon.com, and I will put an affiliate link down here later on the video here, but. They probably have a little video on how to apply it there. But basically, it's going to be the same old drill where you're going to, take one of these. Get two of them here. So you're going to take one of these. You're going to, clean the screen off here, and if you have any dust, you're going to, use these to get the dust off, and then you're going to apply the screen, the sticky side kind of down or whatever. And then they usually give you a little tool here to get out any air bubbles, but I don't see one right here. But I know I have one someplace around the house, so I'll go get that before I start here. It only took a couple minutes to get the screen on here. Of course, I had a couple air bubbles, whatever. I still got like two that I didn't get all the way out here, but I'll keep working on it. But now I'm protected. I won't get a scratch, or if I drop it, a good chance that the screen won't get damaged. Depending on how bad the drop is. So just a nice level of extra, protection here for this very pricey controller here. So yeah, I will. I'm going to get you some pricing and availability on this. Screen protector. The StartRC 2-pack screen protector for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro RC Pro 2 remote controller is $12.99. Then that's 7% off the normal price of $13.99. And actually, there's a clickable coupon now for that gets it down to $10.39. So that's an additional like $2.60 off, and that's a clickable coupon right on Amazon. You do not need any coupon numbers for me. And this is available for 2-day free Prime shipping. So if I order today, and this is Friday the 29th at about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I would get it on Sunday, August 31st. So fast delivery, and again, $12.99 for two packs. And let me see if I get it. Ships from Amazon warehouse itself, and see if there's any other information here. 9H plus hardness protection. I don't know what that means. Anti-scratch, tempered glass, protect your Mavic 4 from accidental scratches, abrasions, and internal collisions. Remove the 2.5D rounded screen protector. It's made of 2.5 arc edge technology, precisely cut to cover the screen. So yeah, I will drop a link down below where you can purchase that. And I am an Amazon affiliate seller, so I do get a little commission for anything you purchase through the links that I put down below. So say you went in there and you purchased the screen protector, but you also grabbed a couple other accessories for your Mavic 4. They're all coming in through my link. I would get credit for all that. And it's the only way I'm getting kind of monetized here. I'm not making, I'm not being paid by DJI or StartRC. So if you can help out the channel with hitting and using a few links, I would be much appreciated here. I want to thank you for watching this video. I'm Ron, Ron Brown's YouTube channel, where I cover drones, tech gear, cameras, microphones, all sorts of stuff that helps a small content creator have a better workflow, whatever. So I'm not going to say goodbye here. I'm going to put a link to another video that's kind of maybe somewhat related to this video that you may want to check out. So I will see you at that next video.